What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with Zed. Guys, in this video, we're just going to get right into it because I'm very hungry. In this video, what we're going to do, we're going to go over a live trading session and also slash tutorial because I think you guys enjoy these kind of videos and also get a lot of value because it's always beneficial for you guys, especially if you're a beginner or have been trading for a while. It's always good for you to watch another person trade and see how he's doing things. So shadowing that person is very important. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the entries, through the exits live. The market hasn't opened, so I'm recording this before the stock market opens, and then we'll go through the computer and record the whole trade. And we're going to go through live entries, live exits, and also what I do before the market opens, how I pick my stocks, etc, 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 and also add tips here and there that I don't share in many of my tutorials. So make sure, guys, if you get value, to smash that like and turn that post notification on, and smash that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and you want to learn how I trade. I've simplified trading here on this channel for you guys, so make sure to look at my tutorials, guys. And also, if you want to become part of the stock group, private stock group that I have, it's there in the description. So yeah, let's go to the computer, guys. Let's make some trades, and hopefully it's in the green today. Alright, guys, so the market just is about to open really in 1 minute, and I just posted here the stocks that I'm watching: Lyft, TripAdvisor, Pizza, and MSG. And that's just really my private stock group. So what we're going to do, guys, is go out there and trade that stock. Alright, guys, so we're buying into Papa John's right now, and this stock, guys, has been, look, it came out with great earnings, beat analyst expectations, everything is great, but then some clown of an analyst decides to release a few articles talking about how we should buy into Papa John's, and guess what happens to that stock? It drops in value. But we just bought that stock regardless of what these clowns say on Wall Street. Although many investors listen to them and listen to decisions, right? We're just gonna continue adding more positions to Papa John's because we believe in Papa John's. Let me hear you say it. We believe in Papa John's. Papa John's came out with great earnings, guys. Obviously, when a great earning report comes out, obviously here's some of you who's making dough. Also, 1% on dough. Trip, $73 up. Profit, well done. Here's some of you guys. Also, guys, it's only 10 minutes until market opens and you guys are exiting with profits. Okay, 129, 500, or $100. Here's another trade, $500, 4.2 return. Well done, guys. All right, you guys are doing well. I'm still in the red, but we're still waiting. Here's what's about to happen to that stock, guys. Like I said, it dropped. It's gonna reverse. That's why I'm waiting. That's why I bought at the bottom. What's my confirmation here? ER, earning report. That's my confirmation, guys. Positive news. This is my entry, 52.76. This is current price, 52.74. Currently, we're down $12. Here's my position. And here's some of you guys doing well, using my way of trading and profiting. So well done. Well done, guys. And here we are in the profit zone. Yeah, baby. So in the profit zone, $100, 111, guys. And we are still in that position. So we're taking $1 away from that stock. That's the aim, $1. Here's 176, guys. 181. 181, baby. $2 or $251 profit so far. Okay, since I entered that position, 268. So here's my reversal that we've been anticipating. $300. $300. So, what did I say, guys? We said a drop, then a reversal. Tee-hee! I know some people don't like it when I use these graphs. Cry me a river. So, here we are, 327. too early or too late to take in that money. I'm just in bed, guys. You should see me the way I'm just chilling here. Still in bed. So pause this, guys. Keep you guys updated in a second. All right. Now we're back. 400. There you go. You see the way we just hit that 400 real quick? Here we go. $400. Or you can even look at it here, guys. Right? 424. Right? And I'm out. It's $400 in the space of 15 minutes. And I'm not the only one who ate today. You guys ate alongside of me. And this is only the people who have been sharing their stats. There's others who don't share their stats. And that's okay, guys. That's what I preach. Do not share your stats if you're not, you're not comfortable with it. But as you see, Papa John's released a good earner report. And as we predicted, a little V was forming. All because of something called an earner report. And that's why I need you guys to learn how to analyze. So that's it, guys. Make sure to get the course if you haven't got it. If you want to learn how to analyze these stocks. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, so as you've seen, it wasn't just me who profited today. It's some of you guys who have been watching my videos and decided to become part of my stock group. So yeah, if you want to be part of the stock group, make sure to get it. It's in the description. It comes complimentary with the course. So I'll see you for more videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Smash that like, turn that notification on so you don't miss these kind of videos. It's the bell that you have to click, and also that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Peace and love, guys, and I'll see you for more.